Hello dear friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to paint another figure from Reza Abbasi books, and in this video I decided to it be like an art vlog and a kind of lifestyle. So I decided to show you how do I prepare usually before I start painting. Me and my sister living in the same room, so I have to clean up everything before I start painting. She's knitting and sewing, and her works are perfect, but living in the same room is kind of difficult for me to clean up everything when I want to start painting. Our house is just next to the street, so every time I want to create a video, I have to be careful about the voices that come from the street. So before everything, I have to apologize about the voices that might bother you. But look at this, last night I paint my bed with birds and flowers. That makes it so beautiful. I usually paint with this kind of colors, and they are in different brands, and I don't care about the exact kind of brand. I usually use all branding in the shoppings that have a good quality for my painting. Before I start to paint, I should make all the colors that I need for my painting, for the dress or skin or the background colors, everything. And I should keep them in the same area but divided from each other. So every time I want to paint my new painting, I have so much colors that are that were combined before, so it's really prepare, and it's kind of easy work for me to start without making new colors. And after I painted all parts of the painting, I start to draw the lines that are around every section with watercolor, because watercolor is really soft and good material for the lines that I want to draw in my painting. In Persian painting, this style of working and painting is like that, so you don't have to paint every part exactly like that. I mean, for example, the fabric folds, you don't need to write every part of those fabric folds. You need to just paint something that is close to the shape of those folds, and this is what makes it so beautiful and perfect and unique for every viewer. As I paint more, I add more lines and for more fabric folds, and they are all kind of connected to each other. Every line that I draw or paint are related to each other, and they have a kind of connection between them. Adding more details to my painting is kind of satisfaction feeling for me, because every section that I add, every part that I create, and more details that I add to my painting makes it too much alive, and it is a kind of joyful moment for me when I'm painting or drawing. And all these details together create a wonderful painting that is kind of different style. And I don't know how much you are familiar with Persian painting and those kind of style and working, but it is really enjoyable and a great time when I paint different section of the body of the clothes and many different textures, of course, that I paint to this painting or another painting. All of them are really, really great and perfect. It is kind of technique too in Persian painting to start with lighter lines and then move to the darker one. This technique is really, really, really important to showing hairs of the body, hairs of the face, and you should paint them all with a tiny and elegant brush. Thanks for spending your time here in my channel and watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to see and watch more videos and art vlogs, and please let me know your opinion about my work in my comment section below. Thank you.